So as today is the demo session, we are waiting for the students to join. That is the reason we are starting the session late. But regular classes will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Once registered paid link started, we'll start the classes from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The sessions will be 1 hour classes. Okay. So myself, Madhuri. Is this the first time attending demo?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I didn't join. Today only I'm joining.
Come again?
Yesterday I didn't join. Today I have joined.
Yeah, today only session.
Yeah.
Previously, have you attended any demo?
No, madam.
Last.
This is the first time.
Okay, okay. What about you, Pawan?
Yeah, today first.
Okay, okay. So the myself is Madhuri, and the course Linux Unix shell. Okay, Linux or Unix shell scripting. Do you have any knowledge in Linux operating system?
I know basic commands, but not much.
Okay. Are you working, Radha? Miss,
Yes, yes, I'm working as
you
an
working as
ETL developer.
what about you, Pawan?
Yeah, I'm working with DCS.
Okay. So do you have Linux knowledge?
Yeah. Yeah, I have basic knowledge.
Sorry?
Yeah, I have basic Linux knowledge.
Okay, okay. So this course we design for the freshers, those who don't know anything about Linux. Based on them also, we'll start the sessions. So first we'll start the classes with Linux operating system. We don't start directly shell scripting classes. So we'll start with the Linux operating system, like introduction to Linux, then file system hierarchy of Linux and how to install Linux operating system. So it will be helpful for freshers, those who don't know anything about operating system. Okay, so the classes timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Regular classes will be, and the classes are from Monday to Friday. Okay, so we don't start directly shell scripting as a tool. First, we'll cover Linux concepts. Okay, Linux means not everything from Linux, basics from Linux we will cover, like OS installation, and before that, features of Linux. Shell content is as per the website, whatever the concept is there, that we will cover in shell scripting. Linux content, what we cover here means features of Linux, file system hierarchy of Linux, means what are the directories we will get along with this Linux operating system. OS installation, basic commands, like after installing the operating system, how to enter into the operating system, how to log in, how to log out, and how to create files, how to create directories, how to rename, how to move, how to delete, all this. Basics we will explain. In basics, we also explain BI editor. It is also one of the method to create file. which we use regularly in real time. So we'll discuss about VI editor also, that which is very important to everyone. Okay. And after that, we'll discuss about some filter commands. Filter commands are used to check output of a file as per user requirement. We can say filter commands or basic shell commands that I will discuss. And after that, user administration. About user, what is user, how many types of users are there, how to create, how to modify, how to delete. So that we'll see. Then group administration. What is group? How to create a group, how to add users into group, how to modify it, everything. Group administration part I will explain. Then file permissions. File permission is compulsory for scripting students, because without permissions, without execute permissions, we cannot run a file. So in order to apply execute permission, first of all, we'll discuss about permissions. What is permissions? So who can modify the permissions? What type of permissions are there? Everything I will explain. And after that, ACL's access control list. It is advanced file permissions. So in this concept, I will explain how to apply the permission to a particular user or a particular group. We'll discuss them. These basic concepts are important. If you want to go with any networking courses, nowadays, every operating system is coming, every applications, every technologies are coming with Linux operating system. Previously, we used to use for every application, every software base, we used to use Windows. But now, people are switching to Linux operating system. Technologies are coming with Linux operating system. At least basic knowledge should be there. So that is the reason these concepts are added into the networking concepts. I mean, our shell scripting. Okay. And here, as I told, timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That is one thing, regular class timing. And once I complete the session, I will explain everything theoretically and practically. I will go slowly only. If you have any doubts, you can message me or you can ask me there itself. Definitely, I will reply. I will show you again. If any command is not clear, or if you're not getting, or if you're confusion, definitely I'll explain again. And one more thing, once I complete explanation, I will share the notes also. So we'll create a Telegram group. Telegram group is not the public group where you will get all the information about the DURGASOFT latest courses details. It is not that one. So Telegram group we create separately. Like, I'll show you. For every batch, there is a separate group. So once we register for this course, they will add into they will add you into this group. So like this, I will share the notes. Daily after completing, I will share the notes like this. Whatever concepts I'm explaining, the concepts, everything I will explain, and I will share the notes. With examples only, I will share everything. Okay, and this group is permanent. It is not like it is 1 month only. It is not like that. The group is, Telegram group is permanent. So whenever you have any issues, any queries in real time also, you can message me there. Okay, the group is not only for sharing the notes. If you have any doubts when you are practicing, if you have any doubts, you can message me there also. I will respond.
Okay, ma'am. So duration of this course, like how many months?
No, this is 1 month course.
This is 1 month. Okay.
A 1 month course this is.
So if we attend this class for 1 month, we will be like good in shell scripting entirely.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, ma'am. Could you please share the course content, like entire course content?
Just check your chat box. I send there.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So first I'll start the classes. This is like introduction class only. Okay, nothing else we are discussing. But free classes will be there 2 days. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also you will get the free links. Okay, so in from tomorrow onwards, I will start my classes, regular classes, but demo free only. Classes for free only, but those are free. Regular classes I will start. Okay, so you can understand whatever I'm explaining, the way I'm explaining. If you are able to understand the way I explain, so you can continue with the course. Okay, because you'll get you can attend the sessions for free, as I told you, but sessions are not like demo classes, same topics we will repeat. It is not like that. As per the schedule, whatever the topics are there from day 1 to end, the topics only I will explain in the demo also. As per the schedule only, I will take the classes. I will not repeat any concepts, no introduction classes, no repeated classes. Regular classes I will take. But for 2 days free. If you are comfort with the classes, if you're comfort with the session timings and the way I explain, if you are able to understand, then you can continue. Okay. And
Okay,
what
ma'am.
we are going to discuss in tomorrow's session means tomorrow we are going to discuss about features of Linux. What is Linux means? Linux is an operating system. We know that Linux is an operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is an interface between hardware and user. After assembling the PC, directly users cannot work with hardware components. After assembling the PC, it may be your laptop or desktop. Once you assembled, directly we cannot access it. We need an interface in order to interact with hardware components. So operating system is an interface, right? So operating system means we already have Windows, which is user friendly, which is next finish. Okay, so which is simple to configure anything. Right click, whatever you want to do, right clicks or double clicks. Simple. You can create, you can delete, you can do everything. We can open, we can do everything. So why people are switching to Linux? Where we have Windows operating system, which is user friendly, which is very simple to everyone. Why people are switching to Linux? Why technologies are coming with Linux? Nowadays, why organizations are moving to Linux operating system? So because there are some features, extra features, which are not available in Windows operating system. Some features are available in Linux. Okay, so about that features we'll discuss in our tomorrow's session. What are the features we have in Linux? And tomorrow I'll start the session at 8 p.m. only sharp. If anyone not joined or not, if you are coming, I will start the session immediately. No waitings. Only day 1, right? That is the reason I waited for the students. Anything else you want to ask?
Yeah. Hello. 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 Am
Pavan,
I
your
audible?
voice is not audible.
Hello. Now?
Can you message me, Kaman? Pavan?
Yeah, I will ping you.
Okay, okay. So tomorrow you are going to join, right? To the session. Same links works tomorrow also.
Okay, ma'am, we'll join.
Recording videos, they will share the recording videos for 6 months validity. Recording videos also they will share. Notes I will share to Telegram group. Recording videos, admin team is responsible for recording videos. And they will give 6 months validity for the recording videos. And they will share. Daily, next day, if today class is completed means next day they will share the recording video. But coming to my notes means daily, once I complete the session, immediately I will upload the notes to your Telegram group. So whenever you're doing the practicals, any doubt, you can message me, no issues. Anytime you can message me, but sometimes I may not respond immediately. If I'm in other classes or if I'm busy, I may not respond. Definitely I will respond. As I told you, the group is not only for 1 month, it will be permanent. We don't delete it. So you can message me anytime. I mean, for doubts, for clarifications, you can message me. Okay. So this is about today's session. Again, I'm telling nothing has been explained. I just gave introduction to myself. So in tomorrow's session, I will start exact concepts. And tomorrow classes features of Linux. What are the features we have comparing to Windows? Why Linux people are using? That I will explain in tomorrow's session. So thank you so much for the session. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, Pawan.